What's up, guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. Today we're doing some more work on the F150. We just did the lift on the car from rough country, and I felt like the front of the car now is missing a little something, so I decided to replace the front shackles, or the front tow hitches, which are these here. I got some cool ones from rough country. It seems like we're doing all rough country parts. We've got the rough country leveling kit. We've got the rough country catback exhaust system, and now we're running the rough country front conversion, I guess, conversion from this regular, from the stock one to the D rings. So in case you get stuck, you can pull yourself out or pull someone else out. So just to show you what it looks like under here, we have some 15mm nuts under there, or bolts, that we're gonna have to loosen. Hit it with some WD-40. You can get it in there. You can see like the frame rail that it bolts into. So we're gonna work on that. The cool thing is you're gonna remove the front one completely, and then you just have to slacken the rear one enough for it to slide. There's a square hole here that you can get the bolt through, and that's what's going to hold it in place. So let me just show you what we got from them. And I also want to do a pop of color on the front. So oh, these things are serious, man. So check these out. So that is what's going to be replaced in there. So check that out.
That's heavy. Wow, you're putting a lot of weight in front.
I don't know about a lot of weight, but I think those are going to be cool.
You could kill somebody with this one.
And you probably could. And then these are the D shackles.
Oh, those are nice.
Right?
I like that.
That's going to look cool, don't you think?
I like it. It's a nice pop of red.
Yeah? It'll match the F.
So will somebody steal this? Because
Well, you're going to tighten that so nobody steals it.
Oh, okay. All right. You see how people put locks? They go, they can't steal it now.
Why? That's where it unscrews from. But yeah, so we're gonna get one side off. We'll do one side and put it on, and then you guys can see what we did. All right, guys, so if you didn't have this under tray here, it would be a little bit easier to get to that back bolt, but we do have the under tray. So we're gonna see how we can get this to work. I had the 15 with me. That's the 18. Hey Al, did you take the 15?
You gotta be there, bro. Look behind you. Hey, behind you.
Oh, sorry. That's one. We got to get the one in the back here, which might be a little difficult. Yeah, we might need to get a bar on this.
Need another wrench?
Yeah, let's see if we get another wrench so I can loosen it.
Which way are we turning?
I think it's gotta go over.
Yeah. So what, I gotta go down? This way?
Yeah. Alright, take it easy. Take it easy. Now. Alright guys, so we got it off. We got it slack enough to where we can slide it off like we said. Right there it shows you what the old one looks like and what the new one's gonna look like. And then we just gotta get this back on. But what I'll do is, because this metal is a little thicker, so if you look in there, it's actually on a bar that the two of them are connected to. So it might make sense to take this thing off, but we're trying not to have to take that off. It's doable, it's just a little finicky to get on, but I think we can get it. Just curious, how thick is it? Can it fit with this? Or do we have to come down more? Huh. Oh. Oh, that plastic piece is in the way too. Okay. So what I'm going to try to do is to hold this in place. Because it looks like this back plastic piece is in the way for it to slide all the way back. Alright guys, so that's how it looks. We got that first one in, still got to screw in the back one here in. But as you can see over here, the plastic comes pretty far forward and it doesn't give us enough room. So we have to, if you don't take that plastic off, you have to take that back bolt far enough down to where you can slide it on. So now we're just going to tighten that back up and then we can move on to the other side. Alright guys, so we've tightened up those two 15s at the bottom. I was just putting a hook. Don't you think the hook should go on the other side?
Well, I don't want people to unloose it easily.
Okay, whichever way you like.
I know. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing or a wrong thing. Anybody out there comment and let me know if what I'm doing wrong. Here's my point here. It's not a very tight fit. So does it just rattle?
I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so that's the before and that's the after. I mean, I think I could get some of those urethane washers and we could put a urethane washer in it on each side.
I think that'd be better.
But for now it'll be fine.
Okay.
I like it. What do you think?
I don't know. It looks a little slack, but whatever.
But I'm saying the look of it.
The look of it looks good.
I think it looks good.
Better than the old one, I guess.
Yeah. Why can't I see nothing? Alright, let's start working on the other side and then we'll do a finished reveal. Alright guys, we just finished the install of the Rough Country front shackles. These are definitely a lot beefier than what came on the truck. They look really good. They have this more sturdy mount piece that's thicker than the OEM one. My only downfall on this is if you're going to run it on the car like this, there's a big gap, so you're going to have a lot of rattling even if you tighten it. As you can see, there's a big space there. So if you can get some sort of rubber bushing or something to put in between there. I don't think it's a good idea to squeeze these together because you might weaken it. I do like the look of it, and I think what we'll do is we'll get some either polyurethane or some sort of bushing to put in between them, maybe to split the difference and to keep it more secure so it's not rattling around. But I mean, it's pretty far away from the car. I don't think it's going to hit on anything. I think it's more if you're on bumps and stuff, it might rattle a little like that. So I think we're going to get some, and we'll take a video of putting those in to help with that. But overall, I like the look of it. It'll definitely, I think, add a little bit of color to the front. I do like it. I think it looks cool. And also, if we ever take it off-roading, especially when snowing, you might have to pull some people out of a ditch. That's the perfect thing for it. Easy to hook onto. All right, guys, I think that we're gonna call that a day. That's it for now. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.